So as you know, we do guest videos here once in a while. This one's a teaser, a precursor to another video coming up. This is one of the cooler automatic transforming beds I've ever seen. And a reminder real quick too, coming up, Tiny House Summer Camp 8, happening up in Vermont, as my dog makes a cameo in the background. Live building, multiple hosts, you can camp out. It's a lot of fun. RelaxShacks.com for details. Limited space as always. Now check this out. This is from a shipping container house that is for sale. More on that soon, but this aspect of it's pretty unbelievable.
Basically, when you are getting ready for bed or about to hop in bed, you just move these pillows, fold these down, and this just allows the bed to get down that much further. There's some lag bolts in the track that it sits on, so it's level. You don't need to worry about basically ending or signing up for whatever. So we'll put this over here for now. So remote down here, easy. You got an up, down, winch runs up here, pulleys. So it just comes down and sits on the lag bolts. I was gonna support this corner just because, like, when you get up and on, I thought I was gonna move, but it's pretty good. Like, no rattling or anything like that. Hop in bed, you get like a little step from the couch right here if you are of this smaller side or on the smaller side. TV stays there. You can view it when it's bed's up and down. And then you have a nice beautiful view out. Then we have built-in shades in the door, so if you do want privacy, pretty easy.